welcome to today's video. We are, all of us here at the JB Studios, are going to be creating this look. It is a butterfly Halloween themed makeup look made pumpkin spice. The colors are folly, but I want to show you the inspo pic from this beautiful girl on Instagram. I think it's Afrin. This is the inspo pic. Super pretty. I really liked that it was like matte bright colors, but I was like, I want to do something folly, so I did it, but turned it with a pumpkin spice, you know, little touch to it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look or just hang out with me, please keep on watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking the red button and hitting that bell. And let's get into it. I'm gonna do some hydrating stuff to my face because my face is so dry. So I'm gonna start with the MAC Stroke Cream in Gold Light. Take this BoxyCharm brush and I'm just going to and so it's gonna go under because it's like pretty bright. And then I'm going to take the maracuja oil again and just get that all over my face too. And if it mixes in with the strobe cream, that's okay. I'm going to take ColourPop's Sugar Lip Scrub. Her brows are super fluffy, so I'm just going to fluff up my brows a little bit more. Shadow base. So I'm going to take the NARS Creamy Concealer. Okay, so I'm taking the Violet Voss Flamingo palette and I'm taking the shade Lemonade. Because this is such a simple look, I'm actually going to do my face makeup first. So I'm going to take the Infallible L'Oreal and you don't want to stipple too hard over where you put the strobe lotion. I'm going to take a little bit of the KKW Beauty concealer and the cream contour in medium. I love the way this lip scrub makes my lips look. So now I'm going to take my Ilia Soft Focus Fades Into You powder. Okay, so we're going in with that lemonade shade right in here. And again, this is a Morphe blending brush. I think I'm going to take a flat brush, and this is a Sephora brush, and try to build up that color. Okay, so yeah, you gotta build this up quite a bit. I feel pressure to like talk. I don't know what to say. Now for the outer portion, what should I do? What color? I want to make it like butterfly, but make it pumpkin spice, you know? So I think, should I go in with this like terracotta sandals? Okay, I'm sorry, but this blending brush sucks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up a BH Cosmetics number 9 and just place it, and then pick up a blending brush and blend it. What is your guys' favorite song right now? Wow, that is really pretty. That color is pulling like the prettiest orange, like pure pumpkin. And it blends out so smoothly. Gorge. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take from the Naked Honey palette this super golden honey shade and highlight. Now here comes the scary part, the eyeliner. I just don't know if I'm skilled enough. Okay, so it's like swish and flick, right? We're gonna give it a go. Connect it to my eyebrow. That's okay. Wow, those don't even look close. There we go. Okay. Now I just have to damage control the yellow a little. No no big deal. So while that lower lash line dries, we're gonna get the mascara situated. Excuse me. These lash curlers suck. And I'm using them because my other lash curlers are downstairs. This is MAC Fascinating Eye Kohl Pencil. And my freaking lid is broken to smithereens. Okay. So for lashes, I'm going to try these Lily lashes in NYC. I just want something super glittery. So I just took my MAC Fascinating and added little dots over that so it looks a bit more butterfly-esque. And now I'm just going to add some rhinestones. I almost want to leave my lips just how they are, but I'm gonna add some blush. This is MAC Peaches. You know what I did want to do is do a yellow highlight on my upper lip and my nose. Going to line with my favorite liner, MAC Strip Down, KKW Beauty number 2. I'm going to take Kylie 23 High Gloss, and that completes this little Halloween makeup look. Oh, actually, a little bit of Max Fix Plus, and that will do it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little Halloween butterfly themed makeup look. It was at first not fun at all to create, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out, so I can't complain, and I like it. I like the super girly butterfly look. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.